Boat has introduced a new product lineup called the Slazer series, marking its entry into the personal grooming segment. The launch follows the brand's recent moves into categories such as dashcams and projectors, signaling its interest in building a broader lifestyle-focused ecosystem. The new range includes 3 models, namely the Slazer S100, Slazer K100 Plus, and Slazer K100 Pro, catering to different grooming requirements and budgets. The Slazer S100 is positioned as an everyday grooming solution for users looking for a straightforward trimmer. It offers up to 300 minutes of runtime on a full charge and supports fast charging. According to the company, a 5-minute charge is enough for a single trim, while a 20-minute charge can provide up to a month of usage. The trimmer comes with stainless steel blades, adjustable combs, washable attachments, and USB Type-C charging support. Boat is also offering a 24-month warranty with the device. For users seeking greater flexibility, the Slazer K100 Plus arrives as a 6-in-1 grooming kit. It supports beard, hair, nose, and body grooming through interchangeable attachments. The device features ceramic blades, a premium aluminium body, and an IPX6 rated waterproof design that can be used in wet conditions. It also includes a magnetic attachment system, battery display, travel lock, and up to 200 minutes of runtime on a single charge. At the top of the lineup sits the Slazer K100 Pro, a 15-in-1 grooming kit designed for users who prefer a more comprehensive setup. It retains features such as ceramic blades, aluminium construction, IPX6 water resistance, magnetic attachments, and Type-C charging. Depending on the variant, buyers can also get a stand or a travel kit for added convenience. The Boat Slazer S100 is priced at 799 rupees, $9, while the Slazer K100 Plus costs 1,799 rupees, $19. The Slazer K100 Pro starts at 2,999 rupees, with the travel kit variant priced at 3,299 rupees, $35. What do you find most exciting about Boat's new Slazer grooming range? Share your thoughts in the comments.